Today's video is a complete guide to the Shark Power Detect Liftaway AZ3900UKT. We'll cover setup, the user manual step by step, key features, controls, and maintenance so you can get the best performance from your vacuum every day. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Shark Power Detect Liftaway Upright Pet Vacuum, Pet Power Brush and Crevice Tool, and instruction booklet. Smart features? 2 brush rolls and multiple sensors designed to grip and capture more dirt, debris, and hair. Senses embedded dirt and boosts cleaning power up to 2 times. Edges and corners and increases suction up to 2 times. Floor type and adjusts brush roll speed and suction. Original Duo Clean nozzle. The Shark Power Detect Upright Vacuum not only deep cleans your home, but it also helps keep it fresh. Anti-Allergen. Complete seal captures and traps 99.9% of dust and allergens. And anti-odor technology guards against bad odors inside your corded vacuum to help keep your home smelling fresh. Make light work of the toughest places to reach with powered liftaway. Simply remove the pod, and the mains powered floor head keeps the brush roll spinning, making it easy to clean under furniture, above floor surfaces, stairs, and cars. With specially engineered bristles designed to grip and capture even more dirt, debris, and hair, a chevron pattern directs debris and pulls the hair to the center of the floor head to be removed by the anti-wrap combs, providing ultra-powerful hair pickup that removes hair as you clean. Specifications. How to use. To assemble your Shark Stratus vacuum, insert the wand into the nozzle, then connect the pod, handle, and hose until each part clicks into place. Finish by installing the odor neutralizer dial and cartridge. Select an intensity, plug it in, and it's ready to use. The Shark Stratus includes multiple accessories that make cleaning easier, with onboard storage pegs for convenience. The Crevice tool reaches tight spaces like corners and baseboards, while the Upholstery tool lifts pet hair and large debris from curtains, lampshades, delicate fabrics, shelves, tables, and walls. Maintenance. Press the release button to remove it from the pod. Hold it over a bin and pull the rear lever to open the bottom and drop debris hands-free. Close it by lifting the lever back up. Next, press the button on the handle to open the top. Turn the cup upside down and tap out any debris caught in the cyclone. Check for trapped hair to maintain strong suction. Rinse the filters under the dust cup monthly with running water. Don't wring them out. Let them air dry completely, ideally overnight. When reinstalling, fit the felt filter first, then the foam. Make sure the HEPA filter clicks into place before closing the grill. Empty the dust cup, inspect the brush rolls, and remove the soft roller using the release button. Rinse it with water only and air dry for 24 hours. Clear any blockages in the nozzle hose, then reassemble. Available accessories. Want to grab the Shark Power Detect Upright Pet Vacuum from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Shark Power Detect Liftaway Upright Pet Vacuum. See you in the next one.